In this video I will show you how to add an object to the 3D layout just from the library. So we'll click library. You can just double click on, for instance, cellular bowl. It'll say it's added that to the 3D layout. You can click on 3D layout and there we have it. And we've now decided we're going to print on a projection area that's 200 by 113. If you want to change it to another projection area, you can do that here. So let's say 96 by 54. If you go over the sides of 96 by 54, then the color will change, so you can see you're out of bounds. So let's just stay with 200 by 113 for now, and just click on slice all. The software will try and generate a name for you. You can of course change that name, and you can select the layer thickness that you want this printed at. Click next. This will then bring up the preview window, and this is also the overrides window. So I will create a video specifically for the overrides. You can go just click up there, and then you can have a look at the different layers and click next. So here we select the printer where we're going to send this to. You need to make sure your GiziPrint is running and that it is connected to a printer before you do this. You can then also click on start print automatically. So let's say your slicing is going to take a few hours and you're not going to be there. If your GiziPrint is up and running, you can just click start print automatically, select the printer and send to selected. It'll then do the slicing and it'll send it to GiziPrint, and GiziPrint will automatically start. So I have not started GiziPrint on this PC. So I'll show you what's going to happen if there isn't a GiziPrint started. It's going to do the slicing, and then at the end it will try to send it to GiziPrint, but it'll fail. But in the log it will show you where it puts the file, so you can always manually then go and copy the file to a USB stick and then take it to the GiziPrint machine. Again, you don't need to have this if your security at the company is so that you have your Gizmetor and your GiziPrint on two different networks or anything like that. You can just slice locally and then copy the files manually using USB stick. So there's nothing stopping you. You don't need to have a network. It just makes it easier. And it's almost done. For now, don't worry about the extra tabs. I'm also not actually going to explain that now. It was that part of the software is being changed a lot at the moment. So here you can see it is finished slicing. It's creating a .gizmo package, and it shows you where it places that .gizmo file. So anytime it slices, it'll put the file in the recent. If that file name already exists, it'll rename it to a number, and then it'll put the new one in. So you will never overwrite previous builds. And here it tells you it can't connect to the printer because, of course, I didn't start GiziPrint. And you will also be able to see the black window that I mentioned before. Here it says it's trying to send to printer and connection refused. So it's not a problem if you don't have a connection.